Hello students, today we are going to start standard 6th subject maths chapter number 6 bar graph. Now in this chapter practice set 18. The first question is this bar graph shown the maximum temperature in degrees Celsius in different city on the certain day in a February. Observe the graph and answer the question. That means this graph is already given to you, and from looking to this graph you have to answer the question. Okay, now I will explain you this graph first. See here, this is y axis. You have to write here y axis. This vertical line is y axis, and this horizontal line, that is x axis, and this origin. Now here we have they have already taken the scale. On y axis 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. So from 5 table you will start, like 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, like this they have taken. And here the data is given to you, that is this is Panchgani, Pune, Chandrapur city, Matheran and Nasik. Like this they have given you, and the graph they have shown you. Now we will see the question and answer it. Now see the first question, that is what data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal line. So here we can see this vertical line temperature is given to you, and here horizontally city is given to you. So how you will write the answer? The temperature of the city are shown on the vertical line that I told you, and the name of the city are shown on the horizontal line. Now see the second question. Which city had the highest temperature? That means you have to see this graph and see in this which city is having the highest temperature. You can see Chandrapur city having a highest temperature. How much? That is 35 degree. So you can write answer Chandrapur had the highest temperature, or you can write also 35 degree, like this. Now see, which city had equal maximum temperature? That means you have to answer now equal temperature. You can see this graph. This graph and this graph is equal with each other. This graph and this graph is equal with each other, right? So which this two graph is? This is Panchgani and this is Matheran. That means Matheran and Panchgani is both of 25-25, and this Pune and Nasik, this is of 30-30, equal distance. So I will write here answer Panchgani and Matheran 25 degree, and Pune and Nasik, that is 25 degree and 30 degree. Now see the next question number 4. Which city had a maximum temperature of 30 degree? Maximum temperature of 30 degree. Now we will see here, that is see here, maximum temperature of 30 degree, that is Pune and Nasik. Here maximum temperature. Okay, so we will write here Pune and Nasik had the maximum temperature of 30 degree. Next, what is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Now you have to answer the temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur. So here I have written the maximum temperature of Panchgani was 25. The maximum temperature of Chandrapur is 35. So how you will write the difference of this? See here, the difference in the temperature of these two cities was 35 and 25, right? So we will minus and see the difference. So that will give you 10 degree. So difference is 10 degree. Like this you have to solve question 5 answer. Like this is like this you have to solve practice set 18. So we complete this. So thank you students. In the next video I will show you practice set 19.